Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that controls your YouTube experience. This ensures changes apply to your account. Once signed in, open YouTube on a desktop browser because channel blocking controls are most accessible there. Make sure you have the exact channel name or URL ready. You will need it to identify the page precisely. Now, navigate to the channel's main page so you're looking at their profile. This first step saves time and avoids accidental blocks of similar names. Once on the channel page, go to the About tab to find Administrative Tools. This is where blocking options hide. You'll see a flag icon or a three-dot menu. Click it and you'll get choices like Report or Block. Choose Block User to prevent comments and interactions from that channel. YouTube asks you to confirm to avoid mistakes. Make sure to read the confirmation text so you understand what blocking affects. After confirming, the channel cannot comment on your videos or interact with your account. After confirming the block, verify it in your account's community or privacy settings to ensure it applied. Sometimes mobile and desktop views differ. If you want broader limits, enable restricted mode or add keywords and channel filters to your preferences, which helps manage similar pages. If the block didn't take effect, clear your browser cache, sign out and sign back in, and retry. Make sure you block the correct channel ID versus a similarly named page. If problems persist, contact YouTube support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.